Hello everyone, it's me Elise, and in today's video I'll be teaching you guys how to set caller tune through your Spotify, and I'll let you guys on the truth. So without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing you want to do is make sure that Spotify is already installed on your phone. If it's not updated properly, then please update it. After that, what you want to do is go to Spotify and log into a proper account. After it's logged into a proper account, I want you to open it up. And if you go to a song, then you can see that there is no option over here of setting the to caller tune. So if you click on the three dots in the top right, you can see there's only add to like songs or add to playlist, but there is no option of setting it as a caller tuner. Then you can also go into this three lines at the bottom right, and then you can also see that it does not pop up anywhere. Even if you click on this icon with an up arrow, it's only an option to share and not keep in caller tune ID. So the thing is, to keep your Spotify songs at a caller tune, you need to be able to download it first and only keep it as a caller tune. You cannot do it directly through Spotify. So this is a quick and easy tutorial on how to do it. If you enjoyed this video, then please be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's me, Elise, signing off. I'll see you in the next one.